Yeah, that was great. All right, guys, here we go. We're on Speed Monster up at Tusenfryd here in Norway. And yeah, we're about to launch. So get ready for it. Here we go! Oh my God! This is called the Norwegian Loop because we're in Norway! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh God! Here we go! Through the trees! Gotta love the Norway forest! And then the airtime on this ride. Whee! Oh! Get ready for it. It gets twisty right here. And one more time. Twistiness, followed by, you guessed it, hooray! And here we go into the brakes. And that is Speed Monster. How was your ride, guys? Woo!
Haven't been on the
Yeah, we're about to launch. So get ready for it. Here we go! Oh my God! This is called the Norwegian Loop because we're in Norway! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh God! Here we go! Through the trees! Gotta love the Norway forest! And then the airtime on this ride. Whee! Oh! Get ready for it. It gets twisty right here. And one more time, twistiness, followed by, you guessed it, hooray! And here we go into the brakes. And that is Speed Monster. How was your ride, guys? Woo! My arm's still here, so it's always a good thing.
Don't forget to hashtag the method.
Don't forget what?
Hashtag method.
Hashtag method, baby. Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Woohoo! Twisty! Oh!
That's intense.
Whoa!
All right, backseat of Speed Monster. Are you guys ready up there? Yeah! Here we go. Get ready to launch. And we are out of here. Whee! Oh man. Here we go. Norway looping. Oh yeah. Whee! Oh man. Oh, I love the Norwegian forest of this ride. And the airtime. Whee! bits. Woo! It's twistier in the back seat. Whee! Here we go. Upside downy bits. Oh man.